Hi, this is Mike Carlson with Master Marine. We're standing outside in front of the Starcraft SLS 3QDH. This is a beautiful pontoon, 24 feet 8 inches, 102-inch beam. This particular boat has the HMX Performance Package. What that includes is a ski tow bar. It includes a third tube with lifting strakes. Great boat for any sort of water activity. This boat also includes the powder-coated rails and powder-coated tubes. The rails are also backed with foam that reduce any sort of rattle or vibration that you might get, making for a quiet ride. Additionally, this boat is easy to trailer. It sits on a dual axle painted trailer from Caravan. Makes it super simple for loading the boat and unloading the boat in our local waters, as well as hauling it up and over the pass to Eastern Washington and hitting some of the beautiful lakes over there. The trailer itself also has a beautiful boarding ladder on the bow of the trailer. Let's jump up on inside and take a look. Standing on the back of the Starcraft SLS 3QDH. Again, I wanted to point out that this motor is currently rigged with a Yamaha 250 SHO VMAX. It's a high performance motor from Yamaha, meant to get boats up out of the hole quickly, as well as increase that top end speed. Perfect for the water sports that you're going to enjoy out on the water. As we look at the back of the boat, you can also see that we've got this huge rear bench seat with a reversible backrest, so you can go either direction. And in the seat, you've got a massive storage compartment. This would be a great spot for life jackets, for towels. Maybe you've got food and snacks and different items while you're out enjoying the day. Keep everything tight and stored in that backrest. You've also got additional storage over here on the starboard side, nice and deep. This is a watertight storage, so this could be a great spot to keep things that you want to keep dry. As we move through the boat, you can see that we've got this beautiful table, excellent cup holders, recessed so that you can set your cup inside and know that it's not going to slide off the table and spill all over the boat. We've also got cup holders over here on the sides, along with a USB charger, perfect for charging your phones, plugging in any sort of USB device. You've got these ports spread throughout the boat. As we continue to work through, we've got two high back chairs, one at the captain's seat, the other at the passenger seat. Very comfortable with all sorts of adjustability. I'm 6'3", and you can see that it fits me just perfectly as I sit at the main helm. At the main helm, we've got an upgraded JL audio stereo system, 4 speakers, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. We've got a Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder, also gives you depth, speed, water temperature. And then you can see we've got multiple different switches and gauges, offering you all of the visibility and the control that you need when you're operating the boat. As we work towards the bow, I want to point out that we've got this large in-floor storage. This is a great spot to store wakeboards, water skis, inner tubes, any of those water sport items, to keep them out of the way. That way you're not tripping over them while you're inside the boat. We've also got a great storage compartment under the main helm. Massive area. Could be a good spot to put a small cooler, keep that out of the way, keep your drinks cold. Great compartment there. And then over here on the port side, I also wanted to point out that we've got a privacy station. This is great for including a porta potty as well as a changing station. It's easy to operate. Just flip a switch and then the curtain pulls out and drops down. Easy to stow and get it put out of the way. As we work our way back up towards the bow, you'll see that we've got really comfortable bench seats on both sides. All of the seats have storage underneath them. Again, ample storage for getting items out of the way so that you're not tripping over them while you're out on the water. So you can see this is a great boat, lots of space, enough space for a couple of different families, really set up well for just a beautiful day on the water. Come check it out, we'd love the opportunity to show it to you.